Right, so we've had this lovely carpet stair runner fitted by Carpet Edgings UK, and they've done an absolute fantastic job. I can't fault them whatsoever. So if you want something like this, be sure to go and check them out. In the description below, I'll leave a link to their website. Absolutely fantastic. They're based in St Helens in the northwest, but I'm sure they'll travel a bit further afield. But anyway, now that this is fitted, I can get on with the stair rods. Okay, so here you can see I've already fitted one, and I think they look really good. So it comes with bars, so I've got 12 of them to cut, so I've ganged them all together so I can cut them in one go. And then they come with these little brackets which the rods sit into, and then these little finials just screw onto them. So I've just put all them together before I started filming, so I'll show you just quickly how these go together. Okay, so it's dead simple to put together. Just take out the little machine screw, pop it on the end of your screwdriver, and then put it through the bracket. Like so, and then simply screw the finial on. Just like that. So the rods fit into these holes here, and they go in roughly about 10 mil. So what I did was measure from one side of the carpet edging to the other, and then add 20 mil, and that gives me the size of the rod. And then I took off a couple of mil just to give it a little bit of play, just 2 mil. So I think the measurement of the stair runner was 715, so it ended up 735, and then I took 2 mil off, so 733. That's my measurement. So I've already marked it out on all these rods, so let's go and cut them. So the good people at WORX have sent me this work table to try out, which is going to come in very handy to clamp these in place and cut them. And the good people at WORX have also sent me this hacksaw to try out, so it's worked out pretty well that I've been doing this. So if I just clamp these in here, okay, so they're nice and secure now, and I've just got to cut through them all now. Well, first impressions of the table and the saw, not the table saw, the table and the saw, both really good. The saw seems really solid, so does the table actually, and the little handy clamps there seem good. So I'll leave affiliate links in the description below for them. I give them a thumbs up anyway. Right, so that's all the rods cutted. That's all the rods cut. So we can start fitting them now. So fitting the brackets is really easy. It's just basically 2 screws, 2 pilot holes, 2 screws. So first one, I put it up to the edge of the carpet, tight up. So there's a bit of spring in it, so I'll go tight. Little pilot holes. You'll have have to excuse the baby noises. The joys of filming in the house. So that's one end done. Now with the other end, got to put it onto the bar and then put the other end into the other bracket. And then squeeze it into place. So that one's done, really simple. So I've just got another 10 to do. So I'll put you on time. Right, so that's them all done. Really quick, really easy job to do, but it looks really effective. It just finishes the stairs off really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.